Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I will be showing you a very simple but very cute style. You can style your hair, especially a few days after you've rocked your perm set. I believe this style is a very cute and simple look that can be taken to multiple occasions. And so I hope you love this style. This tutorial will be very simple. I'm just going to create 4 sections at the front part of my hair, roll them up, and use a butterfly clip to hold the back of my hair to let my rod set curls loose, and just use a pick to pick out my hair. And voila, we are out the door. This can be done in under 10 minutes. So I highly recommend this style. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are old, thank you for rocking with me. And thank you for watching this entire video. I will see you in my next video.